Hello everyone. As we are learning HTML5, in today's video we are going to discuss the topics creating a basic HTML program, HTML coding, HTML rules, structure of an HTML document, and the line break element. How to create a basic HTML program. So the steps that we need to apply in order to write an HTML programs are, as we know that we need to write the HTML program in Notepad. Now let's see how to open a Notepad. First click on the start button, then go to all programs, go to accessories, and then click on Notepad. You can see the Notepad window appears, and in the Notepad window you need to type the HTML codes. After typing the HTML codes, you need to save the file. To save a file, you need to select File and then click on Save As. As soon as you click on Save As, the Save As dialog box appears. In that window, you have to choose the location where you wish to save the document, and then enter the file name with extension .html or .htm, and then click the save button. Your file will be saved. Now let's see how to view an HTML document in a web browser. Now to view the HTML document in a web browser, the steps are: first of all, you need to open any web browser. Like we'll open the Internet Explorer. You need to click on the file option and then click open. A open dialog box appears. There you need to click on browse. Then select the HTML file and then click open. Your HTML file or the HTML page will be viewed in the web browser. Now let's discuss about the HTML coding. The components of HTML codes are: we need to have a web page or an HTML page, where the HTML page consists of the HTML elements, and then the HTML elements consist of the HTML tags or elements and the HTML attributes. Further, the HTML tags or elements contains the container elements and the empty elements. Now let's discuss about the HTML elements. HTML elements are comprises of the HTML tags and the HTML attributes. Now in this figure we can see the HTML element. So in an HTML element, it has the start tag, the content, and the end tag. In the start tag, we have the tag name, then we have the attribute name, and we have the attribute value. So as a whole, you can see the start tag, the content, and the end tag is called or can be called as the element. What are HTML elements and tags? HTML tags or elements are always enclosed within the angular bracket. Like it comes in pairs. It has the start tag and the end tag. Start tag and the end tags are also called as opening tags and the closing tags. Now let's discuss about the types of HTML tags. There are two different types of tags. The first one is the container element, which contains the start tag and the end tag, and the second one is the empty element. It has only the start tag. What are HTML attributes? As we know that HTMLs can have attributes, these attributes, it provides additional information about an element. These attributes are always specified in the start tag. It usually comes in pairs. Now let's see the example. In the example, we have the element, we have the attribute name, then we have the attribute value, and next comes the content. Let's discuss about the HTML rules. That means, in order to write an HTML command, the rules that we need to consider are: the first rule, tag names and attributes are not case sensitive. Second, attribute values should be enclosed within quotation marks. Third, attribute values are case sensitive. Fourth, spaces between tags do not matter. Fifth, tag names cannot contain spaces. And the sixth rule is elements can be nested. So these 6 rules we need to follow while writing an HTML command. Now let's discuss the structure of an HTML document. What does it contains actually? So in an HTML document, it consists of the doc type HTML element, which specifies the type of the document. Then we have the HTML element. It defines the document as the HTML file. It has the head element, which includes information about the document. It also has the title element, which has the title of the web page. Then comes the body element, which is the main content of the web page. What is a line break element? Now, in a web page, when we want to start a new line, or if we want to insert a new line, a line break command is used, and this command is used with the help of the BR tag. It is an empty element. So what did we learn in this video? We learnt about how to create and view the HTML document. We came to know about the HTML elements, tags, and the attributes. Then we came to know about the HTML rules that we need to consider while writing an HTML program. We studied about the structure of an HTML document, that is, how to write the HTML document. Then we came to know about the line break element, which helps to insert a new line. So thank you everyone for watching this video.